He's so worried and concerned. He insisted that enough is enough, and we are working and to ensure that we restore peace and security. And all of us are there. The armed forces are there, the civil police, the intelligence communities. They are there. They are working there 24 hours. And we feel that we have done enough to believe that we are on the right course and we'll be able to be on top of things. We are getting the cooperation of the, like I said, the leadership at the state level and everybody. So we are good. It's not really 100% that everything is safe and secure, but we are going there. Things have improved since, and we'll continue to be there. We will work. It is his own instructions. Things have changed in this country. We've continued to, talk about it. Security is about relative. What was it and what is it today? You compare how things were in the past. We do not underestimate even one life lost. We don't take it for lightly, no, at all. But certainly, a lot of things have changed and improved, and it will continue to.